Street ride time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1948 Chevrolet Stylemaster two-door street ride. Underneath the hood, 350 V8 powered Chevrolet. That is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. According to the previous owner, 18,000 miles on the rebuild of that 350 that's underneath the hood. As far as paint, it's kind of a medium purple, I guess, if you will, and it does have a pretty good metallic to it. I don't know if I can really get the metallic to show up in the pics. There you go. You can kind of see it, kind of silver gold metallic look to it. Paint does show its age a little bit. There's a few spots where you can see. But if you want one to get in and drive, have a little fun, go to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows, here you go. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, check out the interior, the undersides, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us too at 507-386-1726. The car is also equipped with power steering. As you can see, it's riding on polished alloy wheels, polished aluminum, some flames painted on the side dump exhaust. We'll start it up here and let you hear it run. Check out the interior and engine bay also. Leather seats, buckets of course, shifter on the column, tilt column. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Do have a few spots in the clear too, where the clears kind of came off. You got a couple spots back here and around, and then also on the driver's side, I noticed a few spots around this tail light. And again, there'll be pictures of this car from every angle, top side, bottom side, at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. There's a spot on the driver's side I was talking about. A couple little spots where we got some paint peeled. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Light gray leather. As you can see, seats plush, nice shape. Does have seat belts front and rear. Again, tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. I've had the radio working, FYI. There you can hear it. All right, aftermarket gauges, look like the Stewart Warner. Oil pressure, working temp gauge. Fuel, and speedometer and odometer. A couple aftermarket gauges below there also. You can hear this run. A little rumble coming out of that 350. Mild cam to it, as you can hear. All right, let's slip up to the front of this. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video in a second, and let's take a peek at the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, have the hood propped. The prop rod does not go in the car. That's our own personal one here that I need to use once in a while on these videos, so FYI. There we go, 350 small block Chev paired up with that turbo 350 automatic transmission, Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock Reformer intake. Obviously has some polished air cleaner cover and valve covers, polished aluminum radiator. Smooth running 350, good sounding engine. There you go, 1948 Chevrolet Stylemaster two-door street ride. Give us a call, 507 386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in or email.